Today I'm going to show you how to do an electrostatic discharge on a computer. If you ever have a computer or a laptop that won't turn on, you've pressed the power button, nothing happens, it's dead. Before you set it up for service, try this. Now, I take calls from people all day, every day, who think they know how to do this, and they have no clue. First thing you want to do is disconnect the power source from the wall. Second thing you want to do is take the battery out of the unit. Okay, now you're going to want to hold the power button down for at least 30 seconds. Now this is important because this is actually where the electrostatic charge gets dissipated. Believe it or not, by holding the power button down, you basically drain whatever charge is left in the unit. Now we're not going to do this for 30 seconds, but if you really have this problem, go ahead and hold it for 30. Hell, hold it for a minute. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Now, here's the second most important thing people get wrong. After you take the battery out, and you've held this down for the 30 seconds to 1 minute, don't put the battery back in yet. Just plug in the adapter. Now, go ahead and press the power button, just normally, and see what happens. There you go. And before you send in the 500 comments on compact sucking, yes, I know. But it wasn't like I was going to let a small child handle a decent laptop. Hope this helped, and hope you people will now quit calling me with, I can't get my laptop to start. If I've helped 50 people, maybe 20 of those people won't call me now. Have a great day.